you have a business project?
Are you looking for suppliers for your company?
We have everything you're looking for.
We manufacture everything you can imagine.
The toy manufacturing activity in Ibi has been a source of employment and the creation of wealth since the early 20th century.
And undoubtedly has left a great legacy that has made possible the transformation of this town to become a reference industrial center in Spain.
And is considered as the Spanish toy center.
The demands and special characteristics of the sector have marked the know-how and the economic and industrial development of the town.
A difficult market in which safety and quality measures are an essential requirement, in which the design appeal must be constant to combat the seasonality and invasion of products from Asian countries.
Being able to succeed successfully in this sector has given our companies a knowledge and know-how in which they no longer only focus on the design, but they perfectly dominate the whole process and the life cycle of the product.
Our toy manufacturers add value to each phase of the production process of parts that in many cases involves a scaled reproduction of everyday products.
This evolution has created a diversified industry capable of manufacturing any product, including all phases of production.
Design, mold manufacture and tooling, development, packaging and transport.
The reality of our industry led us to think that if we can manufacture toys, we can manufacture everything.
The enterprising spirit of our entrepreneurs has managed to turn Ibi into what it is today, the big factory.
Today, the industry of Ibi is present in the daily life of any person.
The slogan, "Once in your life you've used a product manufactured in Ibi," is a true message arising from the existing diversification and the export of products from Ibi that reach into over 100 countries.
Thanks to diversification, the industrial activity of Ibi has grown uninterrupted since the beginning of the last century.
Today, the town has over 23,000 inhabitants.
It has 7 industrial estates,
which occupy an area of over 2 million square meters with around 550 companies that employ over 6,000 people.
Also, the annual turnover exceeds 1,000 million euros, and its products are exported to over 100 countries.
Mention should be made that Ibi concentrates over 12% of the turnover of the rubber and plastic subsector of the Valencian community, and that 24% of the companies are of the industrial type, when the regional percentage is 7.5%.
In addition, the industrial index is 131, being the 4th provincial municipality and the 14th in the Valencian community.
Ibi is home to the Toy Technological Institute, AIJU, and the headquarters of the Spanish Association of Toy Manufacturers,
which provides the highest level of innovation, close, continuous and very accessible support to Ibi SMEs.
When we talk about Ibi, we talk about industrial possibilities. Thanks to the entrepreneurship of its people and its know-how, not only do new companies emerge,
but more and more international companies are committing themselves to this business area.
Today, Ibi companies work for sectors such as aerospace, food, chemicals, recycling, machinery, automobiles, cosmetics, toys, construction, environment, graphic arts, hospitality, medical instruments, metallurgy, plastics, furniture, paper, health, steel, among others.
This great diversity allows our industry to be better adapted to face any business challenge.
Our industrial reality allows us to guarantee that designing, manufacturing, assembling, packaging and transporting any product is possible in Ibi.
Noteworthy is the geographical location of our facilities, which is ideal for the transport of goods,
since the A7 motorway quickly connects us to any of the capitals of the region or Spain.
We're only 15 minutes from the Ave railway station,
25 minutes from Alicante,
35 minutes from the airport,
and an hour and a half from the port of Valencia.
Ibi has, in a small area, all the advantages so as to be designated as the place to locate and develop your business activity with the best accompaniment for your productive process.
With the support of all of us who are working hard so that you'll feel proud of your investment in our city and to live in a privileged place where you'll have one of the best qualities of life in the whole of Europe.
The expansion of the industrial estates of Ibi,
The over 2 million square meters currently available are a faithful reflection of the industrial capacity of the town.
a benchmark in Spain and Europe.
Ibi,
La Gran Fábrica,
the Big Factory.